hello everyone. Now it's day 5 basic maths and we are going to continue our topic of fraction and decimal, in which we are going to learn about how to represent that fraction numbers on the number line. हाँ लोग बहुत सारे लोग पूछते रहते हैं कि सर ये फ्रैक्शन नंबर कैसे करेंगे, रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं. सिंपल वाले नंबर तो सर बहुत इजी है, दैट विल कंसीडर इन एनीवेयर, बट उसमें भी काफ़ी लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है, तो उसको भी हम रिवाइज करेंगे. उसके साथ साथ वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू दैट थिंग्स इन on the number lines. Okay, so don't worry, I'm here. Okay, so first we are trying to represent the normal number on the number line. Okay, forget about the my drawing, you are aware about that मेरा drawing बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. So अगर कुछ डिज़ाइन समझ नहीं आया तो उसको समझ लेना कि वो एक नंबर लाइन है. If someone will give you a number, represent the number 2, so how you are going to represent number 2? So it's a 0 1 2. 2 is over here, you are going to represent number 2. If someone will give you a represent number -3, so now -3 is the another side of 0, so like that, 0 1 2 3, -1 -2 -3, so number 3 is over here. Am I clear? Now we are going to represent 2 upon 3 this time. How we are going to represent 2 upon 3 on the number line? Understand, it's a basic things. How, I don't know how the that teacher not giving you that type of short story nowadays. कॉम्प्लिकेशंस है ही नहीं. देखो बहुत सिंपल है. सिंपल क्या है? यू जस्ट हैव टू ऑब्जर्व द नंबर. इज इट इन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन? नो. It is not in a mixed fraction, so how you are going to represent this thing into the number line, onto the number line? So कैसे? इसके आगे कोई नंबर है नहीं है, तो क्या कंसिडर करने का? जीरो. इफ नथिंग इज देयर देन कंसिडर जीरो. okay, if number is like that 1 upon 3, so 1 is here. If 2, 3 upon 4, 2 is here. 3, 1 upon 4, 3 is here. If nothing is there, 0. If nothing is there, 0. Okay, now 0 and something. Always consider, if mixed fraction is there, we are having 3 number. Each number is having a different story. Okay, each number is having a different story. That story you have to understand and you will get the answer. First of all, we need to decide the place. If someone will ask me कि सर आपका एड्रेस क्या है, तो मैं बोलूँगा सूरत. सूरत इज़ द ओनली थिंग कि मुझे मेरा एड्रेस पता चल जाए. नहीं, मैं सूरत में रहता हूँ, दैट इज़ लाइक माई सिटी. बट सूरत, in Surat I need to specify I am living in Pal, Masma, Adaj and where. So now I am giving a particular landmark. देन लैंडमार्क के बाद क्या? लैंडमार्क के बाद मुझे घर का नंबर तो देना पड़ेगा ना. लैंडमार्क इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. सिर्फ घर का नंबर दे दूँ, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आई वॉन्ट टू बाइफरगेट दोज थिंग्स इन अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप. तो पहले मैं दूंगा कि भाई हाँ, मैं घर का नंबर, लैंडमार्क एंड सूरत. दैट इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन. सो सेम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, this number is between which number? So this number is between 0 and 1. So first of all, what is my first observation? Number is between 0 and 1. Now between 0 and 1, how many partition is there? Like कितने लैंडमार्क के पास या कितने नंबर का घर है, तो वो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा. तो पहले सोसाइटी में कितने घर है वो भी तो पता चलेगा, तो ही मेरे को नंबर मिलेगा. यस और नो? सो दैट्स वाई, हाउ मेनी पार्टीशन आर देयर between 0 and 3? 0 and 1, 3 part. And which part I need to cover? 2, or I need to set 2. So now understand the game. 0 and 1, this number is between 0 and 1. How many partition is there? 3. 1, 2 and 3. That partition is there, 1 2 and 3. Till how many partition I need to set? 2 partitions. So one is sided, like this one is sided, second one is sided. So here is my answer. What is my answer? 2 upon 3. Am I clear? Again, one more question. This number is between which two numbers? So first is decided, 0 and 1. So I am going to write 0 over here, 1 over here. How many partition is there? Okay, 5. 1 2 3 4 5. How many partition I need to set? Always remember, partition, I am using partition, not the line. So how many partition is there? 5 partition is there. How many partition I need to set? 1. So your answer is here. Your answer is what? 1 upon 5. Always remember those things. Am I clear? Always. So now back to the original question. How we are going to represent 1 3 upon 7? So first of all, this number represent what? Between which two numbers? So 1 and the successor of 1 is what? 2. So this number is between 1 and 2. How many partition between 1 and 2? Total 7 partition. How many? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now till which partition I need to set? 1 2 and 3. So my answer is over here 1 3 upon 7. Am I clear? Yes or no? Again, one more question. This number is between, yes, yes, now you are getting perfect, 7 and 8. Between 7 and 8, how many partition I need? 2. And till which partition I need to set? 1. So your answer is like that, 7 1 upon 2. Perfect. Now you are going to like score very good marks in maths this time. Again, this number, now you are considering, sir, minus 3 ka successor, minus 2, nahi. This time you have to go like this. Why? Because your number is minus 3 point something. Okay, minus 3 point something means what? It's between minus 3 and minus 4, not minus 3 and minus 2. And your number line is going from right to left this time. Okay, why right to left? 0 minus 1 minus 2. So your number is between minus 3 and 4. Again, your number is between minus 3 and minus 4. Why minus 3 and minus 4? If your number is like that, minus 5 upon 1 2. So 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, and then you are having a number somewhere over here between minus 5 and minus 6. Okay, this number is between minus 3 and minus 4. How many partition? Total 3. Again, one more most important thing that you need to understand. In this question, we are counting from left to right. Here we have to counting from right to left. Why? Because we are counting 0 over here. 0 is this side. From the 0 you need to start counting. Okay. Here 0 this side. So you are counting from left to right. Here 0 is right side. You are counting from right to left. So 1 is over here, 2 is over here, 3 is over here. How many partition you need to set? Only 1. So that's why your answer is over here minus 3, 1 upon 3. Am I clear? That's a very easy. Again, one more question. Okay, with your favorite color. But this thing is not straight. Okay, I know everything should be straight. So minus 2 5 upon 6. Which number is between this number is between which two numbers? So between minus 2 and minus 3. Between minus 2 and 3, how many partition I want? So 6 partition, 1 2 3 4 5 6. From where I need to count, where I need to start counting? From here, because 0 is here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Which, till which part I need to sad or cover all those things? I want a shaded portion. So 1 2 3 4 5. This is my answer. This is my answer. My answer is what? 2 5 upon 6. So that's the thing you want in your mind. So understand all those things. Whenever you are having query, then pause the video and try to understand this thing very very clearly. Okay, I am giving you all those things for your understanding. Do not waste your time and try to learn something. Okay, that will help you. I'm sure that will help you if you are going to bring your attention 50%. At least 50% is over here. Am I clear? So that's it for today. In the next lecture we are going to consider what, like we are going to solve the questions of BODMAS of fractions. Okay, so till that time, bye bye.